Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Walton Park Road and we're taking Walton Park Road up to Hagley Park Road. So we are on Walton Park Road now. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon and you can see what the traffic is like. Now this intersection of Walton Park Road and Hagley Park Road is a very busy intersection, and you also have a lot of indiscipline at this intersection. So you find that even when the light is on green, you don't move because people block up the intersection. It's just a very busy intersection. So this is where we are now. We are on Walton Park Road, heading towards this intersection with Hagley Park Road. There you can see a car going on the opposite side of the road because they don't want to wait. There's another car on the opposite side of the road. You're going to see a lot of that as we get to this intersection. A lot. Alright, so this is the intersection with, if you turn left, you take Hagley Park Road down to the 3 miles overpass. Turn right, you take Hagley Park Road up to Halfway Tree. I'm not sure why they have this light like this. There should be a turning lane, a turning light for the intersection. So if you're going in the direction we did, turning right, you should have a green arrow that allows you to turn before the traffic comes down. Must have been an oversight for such a busy intersection not to have the arrow where you turn right. That also explains why it's so chaotic at that intersection, because to turn right you are facing the oncoming traffic. Everybody gets the green at the same time. The lane turning right and the lane to go straight both get the green at the same time, and it's same thing for the traffic coming in the opposite direction. That would explain why there's so much chaos at that intersection. And that road was recently renovated. This part of this Hagley Park Road renovation, they should have gotten better lights. That must have been an oversight. Hopefully they'll fix it soon. And of course this happens every day. The taxi just stops in the road, picks up persons, and they do the same thing when they're ready to drop off somebody. There's another car, another taxi operator doing the same thing. This is the norm. There they go again. There's a trailer doing the same thing. Fortunately, this happens all the time. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.